Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are going to make a high protein millet chilla. It's very easy to make and tastes super yummy. If you are someone looking to add more protein in your breakfast, this recipe is a must try. This chilla is made with ragi and jowar flour which are packed with nutrients. To increase the protein content, we have added paneer. And to make it more flavorful and wholesome, we have also added some veggies. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So into a food processor or blender, we'll add 2 medium-sized, peeled and roughly chopped carrots, 2 medium-sized, roughly chopped green chilies, a handful of spinach, some coriander, some mint leaves, half teaspoon saunf, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now we'll blend it really well. Into this veggie mixture, we'll add some paneer, and give it a good blend one more time till this mixture becomes smooth and creamy. The paneer veggie mixture is ready. We'll transfer this in a bowl. And add 3/4 cup jowar flour and 3/4 cup ragi flour. Give it a good mix till everything is nicely combined. Now we'll add 3/4 cup water and mix it really well to make a smooth batter. The chila batter is ready. Now we'll heat up a pan on medium heat. Take around 4 to 5 tablespoons of batter and using a spoon, spread it evenly to make a round chila. I would suggest not to make a very thin chila because it would be hard to flip. Now pour about half teaspoon oil around the chila and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the chila and let the other side cook as well for around 3 to 4 minutes or till it turns crisp and golden. The chila has perfectly cooked from both the sides. We'll transfer this in a plate and make more chilas using the remaining batter. This high protein chila is a perfect breakfast. It's very filling, easy to make and taste amazing with any chutney, curry or yogurt. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like chila for breakfast, give this protein chila recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.